Hey, so what is phrase match in Amazon PPC? What are some tips and tricks to utilize phrase match to have better results with your Amazon PPC? In this video, you'll discover the answer. And today with me, Chris or Hristo and Adrian with AdFixer. It's an Amazon PPC automation software. Pretty much a tool that helps you with your Amazon PPC. In the description, we have best deal for this tool and also a review of it in a video form and a tutorial. And also, guys are co-founders of Amvisible, which is an agency for Amazon sellers. So today we're going to dive into phrase match and how it can help you in your Amazon PPC. What is it, how it looks, how it all kind of works. So yeah, guys, welcome and good to have you here.
Thanks for having us. My name is Hristo. I'm a co-founder of AdFixer and also Amvisible. Here is my colleague, Adrian.
Hello, everyone. I'm Adrian, and let's dive in. So first up, we need to tell the people what is phrase match. Phrase match is when you have a keyword and you can have different words before and after that phrase. So it's like the perfect balance between broad match and exact match. It's for people who have lower budgets, lower advertising budgets, and for people who have more niche products. You can still use it for keyword research, but you're not gonna get such broad results as in when using broad. I think that it's for targeting. You're gonna be targeting the people more closely, so it's for more conversions rather than when using broad. With phrase you have more conversions and you don't have that research potential, but you still have some. So when you have lower budgets and you have more niche products that you can't search a lot of keywords, as opposed to when using broad, you have to go with phrase match.
Can you share an example of like what is phrase, like for example, how would if we pick some random phrase under some random keyword, like what would it look like a phrase match? Like what does it mean?
Okay, so if you're having if you put on a water bottle in a phrase, you can get words before and after that phrase. So you have like I don't know, mineral water bottle or bottle water 1 liter. Everything before and after that, Amazon can add it. So it's still kind of targeted as opposed to when using broad, because broad you can have words between the phrase. It can have certain parts of it, and it can go way broader and have words that don't actually have anything to do with your product.
Cool. Thank you for sharing.
I don't
Anything
know,
else to add on the phrase? Maybe some ideas on how to utilize it, some like from your experience and Successful, like maybe cases or something where this type of when do you use it with phrase match, some kind of something like this. Yeah.
You can use it for research. Like, for example, we put the bottle of water and we see after that the search terms, what they click on it and what they convert to a buy. Like, for example, let's say they convert on, we put the water bottle, but they convert on water bottle 1 liter. It's like fits your product. Your product is 1 liter of water. So if you generate sales this keyword, put it in another campaign as exact, and you have to check the bid. On what bid did you sell actually, and put it exact specifics for optimizing the broad phrase, which can convert you more sales.
Yeah, also when you are using phrase match, you have to, as Hristo said, look in the search terms and also play with the negative keywords, because you can have, let's say, 80% ACOS on a phrase, a keyword on phrase match, but that can be related to one search term that is completely irrelevant to you. So if you put that in a negative, you can have your ACOS in the range that you want to. So after removing all the keywords, you put them in negative, then you have a fully optimized phrase match keyword.
Pretty cool. So we're gonna have in the description the link to AdFixer, your software. So maybe if people find it a bit confusing or unclear with their own PPC, there's a lot to it, right? To Amazon PPC. AdFixer can automate this process with a kind of proven formula that guys usually use And now they have it in a form of software that can run through that formula and apply it to your products. So yeah, we have in the description also a video that shows you exactly what I'm talking about, how it works, how to make it work. It's actually a few clicks, but yeah. And also a best deal for AdFixer and Amvisible also is the agency of Adrian and Chris. Also, you can check it out in the description. So guys, thank you for being guests today. And unless there's anything else that you want to add on top, we can wrap up this video.
That's the whole thing. If they want, they can book a meeting with us, like in AdFixer or in Amvisible, and they can get a free consultation. We do not charge for the first one. It's just a free consultation. They can see, we can help them to see what they mistaken in. Everyone to be happy. That's the main thing.
Awesome. Sounds good, man. Okay, everything is linked in the description for our viewers. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Pleasure.
Thank you.